Silvi Group companies consist of 4 divisions: ready-mix concrete, sand mining, hard rock mining, and cement import terminal. We have 12 concrete plants, 5 permitted aggregate sites, and 1 cement terminal for a total of 18 operating facilities. We were raised in Morrisville, Pennsylvania, where my mother still lives in the same house today, and grew up working in the family business that our parents had founded in 1947. The original operation was a small block plant that then expanded to include a sand and gravel operation located in the backyard of the family farmhouse. In 1957, a 3.5 cubic yard ready-mix concrete plant was added to the mix. The block plant was given to our grandfather to pay off a debt incurred at the Silvi Family General Store immediately after World War II. Larry Sr., our dad, was told to start making block after his day job as a butcher. He then built the sand and gravel plant out of scrap steel and used motors. Our parents had us working with them by the early 60s. Our mom, Rose, did the paperwork and bills, while Dad ran the operations and sales. When we reached the age of 10 and 12 years old, we were running all the equipment in the yard: front-end loaders, dump trucks, forklifts. All before we were able to get our driver's license. By the time we were 18 and 20, we had some managerial responsibilities. The business has grown from concrete block, wash sand, to diversifying into ready-mix concrete. It all began with our parents renting their upstairs farmhouse in 1951 to Levitt's purchasing agent. In 1963, Silvi was awarded a 16,000 home project in Willingboro, New Jersey from William J. Levitt & Sons. We erected a dual 8 cubic yard dry batch installation in Willingboro for this project. The next major milestone came in 1965 with Levitt contracting Silvi to supply concrete for 5,000 homes in Matawan, New Jersey. All along the way, we were helping our parents in the family business, doing whatever it took to get the job done. The hard work, grit, and drive instilled into us at an early age would prove to lay a strong foundation for building a successful family concrete and aggregate business that is second to none. A true American story.
John and Larry have always enjoyed machinery, including motorcycles and cars. Fast cars are still a hobby they enjoy to this day and complements their passion for wine. John graduated from the Petty School and went to college at Syracuse University. He graduated in 1976 with a degree in business management. Larry followed suit in 1978 with a degree in business management and majoring in real estate.
Even though we knew what we were going to do in life, my father forced us to go to college. Because one thing he always said was, you can lose everything in life, but you can never lose your education.
John met Joy in 1970 as a high school junior, and they were married in 1976. They have 5 daughters: Kristen, Dina, Lauren, Jenna, and Jackie. John also has 2 grandchildren who call him Pop-Up.
He's the man, the only man in the house, because we have 5 daughters. He's the banker, he's the travel agent, he's the weekend cook, he's the fixer. Congratulations, John. I can't think of anyone who deserves this award more than you. I'm very proud of you.
Congratulations, Dad. We're so proud of you, and we know that you have worked so hard your whole life taking care of this company and making it what it is today, and you really deserve this award and recognition. Congratulations, Dad.
Congratulations, Dad. We appreciate everything you have done for us. Your hard work has definitely been recognized, and I'm glad that the rest of the world is recognizing it too.
I am so proud of my father and all that he has achieved. I think of my father as devoted to the family business, and he is dedicated to upholding the standard of excellence at work and at home. And my father is probably one of the most honorable men I have ever met.
Larry met Mary Jo in high school at 17 years old and married in 1982. They have 2 children, Larry III, who is in the family business, and Bridget, whom lives in California.
Congratulations, John and Larry, on amazing accomplishment. Larry, Bridget, Larry, and myself are so very proud of all that you've done to Silvi Concrete and our family. You taught us the meaning of work hard, play hard, and that motto we take with us every day. We know that there's no challenge, there's no ski slope, there's no problem that is ever too steep. The fact that our son has chosen to work with you and learn from you. I could not be happier.
Hey Dad and Uncle John, congratulations on your award. I couldn't think of two people that are more deserving of this. All your hard work and efforts have finally come to fruition. I just want to thank you for letting me be a part of your legacy. Congratulations.
John and Larry, I know that your father would be so happy, not only for what your accomplishments at Silvi, but more so from the men that you are today. I am so happy and honored that you got this award, and I look forward to many, many more years of your continued success. Congratulations again. I love you both.
The family loves to spend time together at the beach, skiing, at Eagles football games, and traveling each year. The brothers are known for working hard every day, but sure know how to throw a great party. They are all in when it comes to taking care of the family business and fully expect those around them to meet the same high standard at work.
I think my biggest professional accomplishment is the team of players that we've built. The team of people that we have that work with us on a day-to-day basis and makes the impossible look easy. We have a tremendous number of highly qualified professionals that make us look good and make what we do, which is difficult, they make it look very easy.
What separates John and Larry from everybody else is they take calculated risk. They value everybody that works for them. They value all the opinions, and we measure every acquisition. Every possibility for success and failure is measured every time they do an acquisition. So this company in my 23 years has grown 6 times what it originally started out at. And it's because of their drive, but also because in addition to valuing and going out and finding acquisitions that have potential, they see the same thing in people. And they treat people better than they treat assets.
They also have an exceptional ability to find talented personnel to help build their enterprise. Most of their senior staff have been with them for 25 to 40 years, working every day to make this company better, all of whom are committed to excellence.
Take the risk, it's calculated risk, but when they set their mind to it, you better get out of the way because they're going to accomplish it. And they're going to make sure that it's done right and it's done properly, and they're successful at doing that. I really want to congratulate both of you for this award. You sincerely deserve it. You're pioneers in the industry. You've taken such great steps and brought a whole family of people, including my own, with you along the way. I can't say enough about it. I really can't. I'm really indebted to you guys. Congratulations.
The Silvi Group has always realized the importance in creating value for their customers. They have excelled in automation and streamlining of job functions related to each one of their different operations. It's also allowed them to do more with less and effectively weather through the good times and the bad.
Larry and John have offered me many opportunities for professional and personal growth throughout my career. I've been here for many exciting changes and additions to the growth of the company, and I'm proud to be part of that growth. Congratulations, Larry and John. Looking forward for working another 30 years for you.
They've taught me over the years that there is nothing that's impossible and that we should really remove the word can't from the dictionary because we don't understand that here. There isn't, we can't do something here. We can do it, we will do it. Nothing is impossible. John and Larry, I'd like to thank you for the opportunity of being part of Silvi Concrete. You took a chance on me back in 1987, and I've learned so much from you over the years, and I want to thank you very much.
In the dictionary of Larry and John, the word impossible, it means something that takes a little longer and a little bit difficult. That's all it is. Larry, John, congratulations for this extraordinary achievement. Now you can relax and reduce your work week to about 70 hours. Enjoy, and probably Joy and Mary Jo will like it. Congratulations again, all the best.
The Silvi Group has a strong history of expansion over the years. A lot of growth started when the guys got out of college. In 1981, they moved the original Marsville concrete plant from Larry Sr.'s backyard to its current 50 400-acre headquarter location today. The plant was state-of-the-art and included cutting-edge technology at the time, including a twin-belt aggregate feed, temperature control of aggregates, a computerized batch control system, and a 12-yard central mix barrel. A large 52-load silo was also added to the plant. This was a long way from the little plant that was behind their dad's house. The Silvi front office was eventually moved out from behind the farmhouse. It was originally a sand and gravel scale house that later became the office. In 1984, the company had purchased the assets of Rich Creek Concrete. 1 year later, a 220-acre sand mining operation was purchased from Southern Sand Company.
I still remember my first day at Silvi Concrete almost 30 years ago. I was riding with Larry during a sales call, and we pulled up to a construction site, a brand new housing site. Roads weren't even cut in, and I asked Larry, I said, Larry, how are we going to get back to that crew back there digging that foundation? He said, well, we'll get there. We're going to drive. So we navigated back there, and I said, Larry, you did a great job at that. How'd you do that? He says, well, if you do it for a little while, you'll learn how to avoid the ruts. So, it's been 30 years working for these guys, and I guess over the years, I've learned how to avoid the ruts, and every day is exciting and new and challenging. So congratulations with your Lifetime Achievement Award, John and Larry, and well done.
Due to cement rationing in the Lehigh Valley, John and Larry had come up with a way to keep a steady course of cement to ensure that they could meet the needs of their customers. In 1986, they purchased the 68-acre Patterson Parchment Paper Company in Bristol, Pennsylvania. It had a deep water port capable of docking 700-foot-long ships. 1 year later, the Riverside Industrial Complex came online with its first silo available to accept cement import. Today, it's the largest cement import terminal in the world. In 1988, Silvi Concrete purchased Glerium Concrete. Ready-mix operations were expanded again in 1995 with the purchase of Transfleet Concrete in Collegeville, PA, followed by the 1997 opening of a new facility in Limerick, Pennsylvania, another state-of-the-art 12-yard Rex Central Mix plant. 1997 marked a major point for the Silvi family as it was their 50th year in business.
Wow, 55 years. My earliest memories, and I tell everybody this, I was born and raised in a sand pit. And when other kids were playing with Tonka toys, we were playing with the real thing. My father did something that my brother and I could never have done. He created a business out of nothing. But my brother and I did something that my father could never have done. We took a small family-owned business and turned it into a regional construction material supply company.
Silvi Concrete picked up the assets of Bowman Concrete in Oxford, PA in 2000. They also purchased 300 acres in New Hanover Township, Pennsylvania, and the Gibraltar Rock Stone Mining subsidiary was created. In 2005, the concrete assets of Independence Concrete Company were acquired. The Downingtown facility is also equipped with a 12-yard Rex Central Mix plant. In 2009, the Gibraltar Rock subsidiary purchased the 1,400-acre Hard Rock Quarry in Belle Meade, New Jersey. The most recent merger and acquisition included the purchase of 3 ready-mix plants from R.E. Pearson Materials in Mount Holly, Berlin, and Logan Township, New Jersey. Needless to say, John and Larry have been busy, and they aren't finished. Along with the growing business, they're always at the forefront of setting the bar for excellence. Some of the decisions they've made in being market leaders include moving ready-mix operations to a central dispatch format.
John and Larry have had a hand in every bit of the improvements we've made here, and have been able to keep their eye on the big picture, which is producing concrete. John and Larry's dedication and drive have made our company a leader in the industry. I'm proud to say I'm a part of the Silvi Group, and even prouder to say congratulations to my 2 closest friends. John and Larry, this is a well-deserved award.
Larry Silvi became a founding member of the New Jersey Concrete and Aggregate Association in 1985 and served as its president for 10 years. Silvi has been recognized on numerous projects over the years, industry trade magazines, and national awards. Over the years, it's been important to John and Larry to support our nation's troops and also the communities in which they have operations. John and Larry Silvi have been able to build a vertically integrated company that includes sand, stone, cement, and ready-mix concrete under one roof. There are very few family businesses that have been able to accomplish this. As our industry continues to be consolidated, the Silvi Group Companies is one of the last great titans of the family business in the U.S. concrete and aggregates industry.
Approximately 25 years ago, my father was in front of the same organization being honored for his work in the ready-mix concrete industry. And at that time, he said to the group, the ready-mix industry is not for the faint of heart. 25 years later, I can attest that this industry is not for the faint of heart. We've been lucky that we're now in our fourth generation with my son, my brother's daughter joining us, and we look forward to many more years of family participation in the ready-mix concrete and aggregate supply industry. I would like to thank all those who have honored my brother and myself here for this once-in-a-lifetime event.